Hello everyone, this is Marji Roy from 3dcuts.com, and today I'm doing the assembly tutorial for my Peace Everywhere card. I'm going to use this as a Christmas card, but it can be used at other times of year as well. It's a very easy card to make. As always, go to my website to get more information about the papers I've used and the equipment I've used so that you can use that information in making your card. Pay attention to sizing. Not all software imports things at the correct sizes, so make sure you get the correct sizes. Now let's get started. I've already cut out the pieces for this card. There is in the pattern a white scored piece for the card base. I use the dotted line for scoring, but if you want, it's really easier to use a scoring board and a paper cutter for something like this. I cut a piece of paper that is 10 inches by 7 inches, and I will score this at 5 inches and fold it to make my card base. That's faster than cutting it on a cutting machine. There is a link to getting these on my website. There, we've got our base. This card is so simple you don't really need a tutorial like this, but I do them for everything, so here we go. I'm using art glitter glue. There's a link to it on my website. I like this glue because it dries quickly, it dries clear, and it holds well. I am going to put glue all over the back of this. It's important that I get the edges so that pieces don't pop up. You certainly could do this with spray glue if you're making a lot of these, but to set up a spray booth for just one, it's not worth it. It is easy. Be sure to get glue in the center of all of the little letters so that they don't pop up. There we go. Carefully center this in place and press. There is the green olive branch that will be positioned so it looks like it's in the dove's mouth. Again, add the glue. And position it here. I'm going to put a little glue under this point because I can see it's turning up a little. And the same with this point here. That's the exterior of the card. On the interior, we put glue all over the large blue. Take it and center it. Nice and even. Press it in place. Our earth is a stylized earth, quick continents on it. This is North and South America. Turn over Europe and Africa, or that part which shows. There. Turn that over. Glue on the back. And there we go. Quick, easy, meaningful. Peace everywhere. This card is designed to go in a standard A7 envelope. You can buy these in packs of 50 from Amazon, and there's a link in the website. Some people, if they're making just one card, don't want to buy the package, but prefer to make a card. I have included the pattern for making this card in the download, so if you want to make an envelope, you can. It takes a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, and it fits this just as nicely and is a little bit thicker than a purchased envelope. This envelope is easy to put together. 4 sides, fold them up. I do use a dotted score line because not everybody has a machine that can score. If you want, you can remove those and put in score lines for your machine to score. Now, the 2 sides go in and the bottom panel gets glued up. Notice, I'll put glue along here, but I won't put it here. So, on these, just around the curve and down to the corner on both sides. And then here as well. Up about that far and around the corner and out. Fold it up, press in place, and let it dry. You now have a very nice envelope. Have fun making this. Happy crafting, everyone. Every year I send out handmade Christmas cards. I have for decades, and many of them were designed and made on my silhouette cutting machine. Many of these are available online at 3dcuts.com. Click on the store and go to the Christmas area. Have fun crafting.